Hi, I'm Christy Kesh and I'm from the 2019 to 2021 batch of IFM. And this is pretty much my last 5 days in IFM, so I guess it's my time to reminisce. If I go back to the day that I came here and what did I feel about B schools would be as strict curriculum courses and a lot of professionalism and everything else that makes you job ready. But when I came here, I understood that campus life in IFM is more than just the B school experience. As in, I'll tell you about the faculties and about the academics over here. The pedagogy over here is pretty much like every other B school. Some professors have different styles of teaching and everything. Except for that, continuously our administration is trying to better their methodology of teaching us. For example, we used to have OLDs. During our time in the residential course, we used to have open learning days which mostly revolved around sales, marketing, B-plan, entrepreneurships, and continuous interaction with industry professionals. After that, I would want to also mention that most of the course curriculum of IFM is based on applied work and not just theoretical work. So the field trip experience was very enriching in a way that we got to spend 5 to 7 days in homes of people who were actually underprivileged, and we understood that we were pretty much the same. They knew their stuff, we knew ours, but then only thing is that they did not have the privileges that we did. So in a way, IFM transforms you from the person you are, and not just makes you job ready, but IFM also makes you kind of empathetic towards people, makes you understand people's pain. We come here, there is a lot of peer learning. We see a cocktail of people from all over India with their own ideas and their own ideologies over here, and then we all mix with each other and we become these people who don't have taboos in themselves anymore, and we are very open to newer life experiences. But I would also want to mention our hostel lives, and the way our hostel lives would be is mostly after 6 hours of work and club activities and everything. We would go back to our hostels to rewind and unwind from a very busy day. Except for that, our clubs played a very big role in the way that we have grown in the last 2 years, because once we went from here, we were not in the residential campus anymore. Our only way to stay together as a community was through clubs, and we did a lot of club activities during that time. We participated in all club activities, and in a way it kept the integrity of the IFM family close knit together. The campus of IFM is beautiful. I mean, if you wouldn't believe me, then we all can go on to the Google and search for it. It's beautifully made by Anant Raje's architecture, of brutalist, neutralist architect. And he has done such an amazing job in the way that this IFM campus feels. Except for that, it is also kind of surrounded by a lot of forest area and a lot of grasslands. Grasslands are our spots for sunsets and sunrises, and it's romantic in a way that we can even stumble upon love, if we are looking for it, and if not, then friends for life probably. And in a way, this reminiscing is making me a little teary-eyed, in a sense that this is it. I mean, we did not know what we were going to face over here when we came here, and right now we feel like those little children going into school and then leaving after 13 years of very beautiful experience. IFM has given that in not even 2 years, 9 months and some more online years in IFM. So, only if COVID was not a thing, then we would have a lot of other experiences that would probably embrace us with more nostalgia. But the friends we leave behind, the grassland that we leave behind, the classrooms that we leave behind, the samagam that we leave behind, everything just brings us together as people, I guess. It just makes our memories the same. Thank you.